Maraming mga netizens ngayon ang binalikan ang naging huling interview ni Eman Atienza kay Tony Gonzaga, na kung saan sinabi kasi nito na matindi umano ang kanyang naging pinagdaanang trauma at pang-aabuso noong bata pa ito.
May pinagdaanan ka kasi. You went through something nung bata ka.
Yeah, different types of abuse actually, because my yaya was my companion a lot of the times. I couldn't be in rooms alone, any enclosed space. So,
Will she lock you inside
Yeah.
confined spaces?
yes, so one thing was sometimes if I was crying or anything to try and get me to stop, she would get like a stuffed toy and she'd say, "This stuffed toy is gonna kill you." She'd put the stuffed toy in the closet and she'd lock me in the closet.
Is also an awakening para sa ating mga parents. Na yung kung saan natin iniiwan at kung sinong nag-aalaga sa mga anak natin, malaki din ang nagiging impact nila sa personality at pagkatao ng mga anak natin.